going to jump right in. I'm going to be using the Bumble and Bumble Color Gloss Luminous Hair Shine in Clear. Now, I chose to use the color Clear because I do like to change my hair often, and I wanted to make sure whatever color I did decide to change my hair to, that I would be able to use this color gloss at home. So we are going to open it up, and we see that we have some directions, or it's probably directions as well as a little more info about the product. The actual color gloss itself, and you're getting about 5 ounces of the color gloss in one application bottle, and gloves, which is, in my opinion, perfect. I love kits like this that come with everything you need. This way, I feel like it makes it a lot easier on the person. So, a little more about this product. It's the Luminous Hair Shine. It adds instant luster and color vibrancy. It's for all color treated hues. Like I said, you are getting about 5 ounces in one application bottle. And it says, this luminous filter instantly revives and enhances hair color, leaving behind a dreamy gleam. Shine on. Clear, warm blonde, brunette, universal red usage. Shake well and apply to dry hair. So my hair is dry. This is a wash and go that I did a few days ago. So she is definitely dry. Leave on hair for 20 minutes and rinse. Follow with your favorite shampoo and Bumble and Bumble shampoo and conditioner. It does have a very light smell. I really don't know how to describe the smell. It's not overpowering, but it does smell really good. So I'm going to unclip my back section here. And we have one section. And what I'm going to do now is I'm actually going to split that one section into 2. I find that working in smaller parts within the section makes it a lot easier to really saturate the hair so that everyone is covered. Alright, so we have one section here. Now I'm going to squeeze that product out onto my glove. That's what I'm going in with initially. And then I'm going to apply that to my hair. Now I know that the color itself is clear, but I definitely suggest wearing an old t-shirt when doing something like this to avoid getting any potential spills on, something that you really like. So I always suggest wearing an old t-shirt. Alright, so I'm gonna work that in. And I feel like the product spread pretty easily. So I'm actually going to take a little more. And I'm going to go right into that same section. Because you definitely want to make sure that you are getting all of the hairs in the section. And it does feel cold. It does feel cold. Alright, so that is part of section 1. So now I'm going to unclip the upper portion of that section, and I'm going to do the same thing. So my first section is completed, so I'm just going to twist that out of the way, and then I'm going to complete all the sections, and I will come back when we get to the last section. Alright, so we are on the last section, so I'm just going to take that section down. I'm just going to complete it the same way I've been doing all the other sections. I'm going to split it right in half. I'm going to split that section in half. I'm going to twist the top portion out the way. And now I'm going to apply the gloss starting here, and then I will do the clipped away section. So I'm going to apply the product to my gloves, my hands, and then I'm just going to apply that. I'm pretty much applying this as if I was like applying a curl cream or something like that, or a leave-in conditioner. So what I do is I start close to the root, and then I bring the product down, and I'm working that product into the hair, and I'm also trying to run my fingers through my hair at the same time. Because this product does have a little bit of slip, I am noticing that I am pulling out some shed hairs, which I'm not too mad about. But I want to, of course, make sure that I'm doing this in a way that is going to really thoroughly saturate all of my hair. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to just take these sections down, and I'm just going to apply a little more product to the top of my hair here, like this. And around my hairline as well. I just want to make sure, of course, that everything is properly saturated, because you don't want to leave anything out and then it's like you have really shiny strands, but then like your hairline or the top part of your hair is dull or anything like that. It's going to look a little weird. Alright, so now we are going to leave this on for 20 minutes. I will shampoo and condition my hair, and I'll probably deep condition as well, and then I will be back so that we can style. And to style my hair, I'm going to be using the Bumble and Bumble BB Curl line. I'm going to use the custom conditioner first as my leave-in, and then I'm going to apply the defining cream. Alright, so this is what my hair now looks like. I've applied my leave-in conditioner as well as that defining cream. I'm going to dry my hair and then I will be back. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I did wash and condition my hair using the Bumble and Bumble BB Curl. I used the sulfate-free shampoo, and then I actually used the Bumble and Bumble Mending Masque to actually detangle, condition, and deep treat my hair as well while I was in the shower for about 10 minutes. After rinsing that out, I did apply the custom conditioner from the BB Curl line as well as the defining cream, and these are my results. I feel that my hair is a lot shinier than normal. My hair does feel good. I like the defining cream because it does have hold to it, so this will actually last me a couple of days before it starts expanding. But I feel like my hair is a lot shinier than normal. I felt like the color gloss was very easy to use as an at-home system. It wasn't messy at all in my opinion. It wasn't dripping all over the place. I felt like it worked really well, like I said, for it to be an at-home glossing system. I would definitely use it again, especially because I feel like these are great results, and it does wash out in 3 washes. And like I said, it was very easy to use. You sit for 20 minutes and it definitely works. So I would definitely use it again just to give my hair a boost of shine and luster when I do feel like my hair is lacking a little bit. So I really hope that you all enjoyed this review and demo. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you next time.